let us continue with our lesson. Now, let us look at another special thing in English sounds, and that is connecting the consonants and vowels. So now we have connected the consonants and vowels to come up with a syllable. We have B-A. So we have connected sound B with vowel A to come up with a syllable ba. So this one will be ba, be, bi, bo, bu, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, da, de, di, do, du, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ha, he, hi, ho, hu, ja, je, ji, jo, ju, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. So we have connected consonants and vowels, and we have come up with these syllables. So I would request you to continue with the other consonants in the same way and practice them. Okay? So try to practice like this, and then you practice the rest of the vowels, and then you come up with something good. Let me show you something good, or let me show you the reason as to why you have to practice this. It is very important for you when you are reading. Let us take an example. This is sound, this one, we read it as ba, ba. Let me write it here. This is ba, ba. So remember, we looked at the sounds. This is D. The sound is D. So when we connect the two sounds, we get bad, bad. Get another one. Bay, bay. Plus this D, D. Bed. You see? So we are reading sounds. We are reading sounds. Let us look at another one. Car, car. But remember, we said this one is, the sound is T, T. So when we connect, cat, cat. Look, G. The sound is G. Ra, ra. And then the sound is N, N. Another one, T, G, ra, N, T. So when we connect, we will get grant, grant. You see? So the sounds are very important. You have to practice them. Look at another one. This is fa, fa. But remember, we say that this sound is N, N. When we connect, it becomes fan, fan. You see? So continue like that. Try to form words using these syllables and the sounds that we looked at in the previous part.